Hi, I'm Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making this little sound demo video for you this morning. It's to accompany one of the Etsy listings that we have, and it's for this rather beautiful drum just here, 18-inch horse skin drum, and as you can see it's got the hair left on the drum here. It's rather gorgeous, rather beautiful, I love it. On the back, show you just briefly, we've got this is a horse chestnut branch handle. It's on an ashwood frame. But lots of information on the inside here. Ash and horse is in there, so you'll always have that reference. Birthed on the 14th of December 2022, so you'll know when the drum was birthed. You can find out the astrological energies around that day, as well as my maker's mark in there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. So enough talk, let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a softer beater, and I've got a little firmer beater down there as well, which I'm going to use. Either of those are an option to buy alongside the drum if you decide this is the right drum for you. Let's have a little play. Here we go. And a firmer beater. Gorgeous. Well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you come to choose your drum online, which is always very difficult, so that's why we make these little videos for you. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching, bye for now.